Oh, hello. Today, we are watching a cartoon called Chainsaw Bunny. A cartoon that also made in the logo it's called Chainsaw Bunny. From the anime station of Stop Motion Japan Studio. Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Chainsaw Bunny. And do you seen this cartoon? Yeah. We have, I think, that's what is this? That looks, man, I want to see that. Look at it looks. It looks anime style stop motion. Yeah! And you know, this is like, that looks like anime with cartoon eyes. Yeah. Yeah, when people... What is walking? Is that a pink purse? I think that looks like an anime girl. Well, the stop motion of anime styles... Oh, that looks like that character from My Hero Academia. Okay. What in the world is this? Is that tongue? Oh, what the? Okay. Okay. Oh, hey, now we have a bar right there. Yeah, we're These are cups of beer. Oh, let's open up the door. Okay, we have this one. Wait a second. What the? Oh my. Yeah. Is that the tongue? Oh my. It's a stop motion. They don't talk. They're animes. Now, what is that? It's called Chainsaw Bunny. Is that a needle? That looks like... What is that? Tongue? Tongue sticking. What the heck? Oh my... What the hell? What? Look at that. Look at that. He's killing him with the... I originally made a video where I rant killing. Well, okay. We have no talking characters. That's God of this tongue. Look at the blood. Now he has tongue. He's like Venom. What the? Oh my god, this is like stop motion, like Poppy the Performer. Yeah. You made this anime style of the stop motion. We killed him with a knife. What kind of killer is this? A bunny? This is weird. He's dead. I think someone else died. Two of them holding a knife. What the? Oh, God! What? What is this? Oh, hey, that's... No, there's a bunch of them! Oh! Oh my god! What? Oh! This is like the anime. Bunch of them. Oh. Now I'm back. Okay, that was a weird channel. That's the Chainsaw Bunny. And if you subscribe, please know, and goodbye, yo mamas!